Last week we kicked things off at the massive Nikon booth, taking in the scale of their setup. Creators were everywhere, getting hands-on with that heavy telephoto glass and testing out the reach on the show floor. Then we look a quick look at the sleek, minimalist Sony display to see their latest Alpha series. From there we spent some real uninterrupted time at the extremely high energy Canon stage. They were showing off their newest R-System cameras and lenses. And we caught those detailed floor interviews with the creators, taking a full 15 seconds to really hear their thoughts on the new ergonomics. Then we moved into that second interview, catching up with the Canon representative on the floor for another 25 seconds of deep dive product talk about the sensor tech. Then the energy shifted completely to those incredible fast live karate demonstrations on the main stage, which was the absolute perfect way for everyone to test out that lightning fast camera autofocus in real world action scenario. We even caught a great shot of another photographer in the crowd, perfectly capturing the action on his own Canon gear, focusing on the movement. Next, we checked out Tilta's professional filmmaker and landmark rigs, seeing how they have expanded their ecosystem for cinema cameras. RØDE was busy with the new release of the Rodecaster Video Core. Their booth was buzzing as always, consoles, mics and those signature pops of orange everywhere. Then Newer submerged their light to prove just how rugged their new waterproof line really is. A huge pop of red at the sun disk, ending the massive robot replica that everyone was filming. Godox was packed with people testing out the new latest lighting setups for studio work. Then we got some great insights with the zoom on their latest field recorders. Samsung showed off their latest privacy screen and display tech, before Sam from RØDE wrapped it all up for us with a final summary of the week. It was a fantastic show for creators in 2026.